Okay, so these are all the acronyms for revision for Unit 3 specifically, and also Unit 4 English Language. If I was you, I'd have a blank piece of paper in front of me, or some way of recording your guesses or approximations, or hopefully very much correct answers to these acronyms. And the more you do this, of course, the easier it will be to do later on. And more importantly, the more readily you will be able to retrieve these concepts and be able to use them in your writing. So from discourse, we have CILFCC or SILFCC. Morphology and lexicology, cabins back with 3 C's, importantly. From semantics, we've got E and D. From discourse, LC, cash. Phonetics and phonology, we've got SPIT and B. Syntax, I, die. Phonetics and phonology, CBL. Syntax, FF, EF, EW. Phonetics and phonology, RA, RA, and CO. Semantics, Kaddish. Semantics, spoil, map, F. Discourse, CAFÉ, CADRES. Syntax, SSCCC or SSCCC. Phonetics and phonology, EAVI. Syntax, APVPALP. Syntax, SPCA. Morphology and lexicology, NAV, AM, APIC, PD, which probably doesn't need to be an acronym, but hopefully you remember what they are at least. Discourse, DPIT, APOC, or DIPIT, APOC. Syntax, LAP. Discourse, Mr. BPTTTHPTM, which is a tough one. Syntax, SVOEF. Syntax, NEC. And finally, PCS.